Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create clean UI screen designs using artboards in Photoshop. I begin by creating artboards for login, dashboard, and profile screens. I take a breath here. UI design is about patience. Each artboard represents a user moment. I align grids carefully and keep spacing consistent. When a button feels too tight, I gently expand it. I want comfort, not pressure. Artboards allow me to compare screens instantly, and that comparison is everything. I notice when typography drifts and pull it back into harmony. I reuse icons, but adjust placements so screens feel familiar, not repetitive.